Okay, I got this 14 Passat. It's making a noise from the right side where the upper chain is, from the upper chain cover. And the history says we did timing chain 9 months ago, so I doubt it's gonna be on the inside, considering the mileage from when they took it to now. The mileage is not that high, so I'm thinking maybe the magnet on the side here. Right? So let me see. I'm gonna unplug and see what happens. Aha. See how it goes away? And I see oil dripping from the connector. See that? So definitely you need a magnet to start. I mean, there's oil zipping out of the magnet, and it got quiet when I unplugged it. So I'm gonna start with that magnet.